in a position. We're trying to hopefully get another hog. Brian's really excited, but a little upset he missed that last one. We'll do a lot better. I'll show you my position. And these, of course, are the buzz cuts we're using. Awesome broadheads. And this is my angle. Hopefully they'll come through that area. That's my best shot. And then if you see right through there, through that clearing, that's where I saw 4 big doe come. But no buck. Hopefully we'll see something again today. It's been an exciting 2 days so far. Seen turkey, deer, raccoons, hog. We'll see, bound to get something. Hopefully.